Let's look at a basic example where we have relative and absolute movement in G code. So we've got some G1 commands, which means that we're going to be moving. And our first command is G90. G90 is absolute positioning, which is normally the way that 3D printers operate. So what we're going to do is say that we're starting off at our 0, 0 point. And our first command is X5, Y5, and there's no E on there, so there's no extrusion. So what's that going to look like? Well, it's going to look something like this, right? So we get to this point, X equals 5, Y equals 5. Now, this next command is saying, hey, go to X equals 5. Since we're in absolute positioning, it's going to say, I'm already there. I'm already at X equals 5, so I'm not going to move at all. So nothing happens on this step. But then we do G91. G91 is relative positioning. So it says, move relative to wherever you are currently at. And so here we've got G1, X5. So now this is no longer the coordinate 5, this is the displacement 5, saying move 5 units in X no matter what. So that looks something like this, right? And if we were to run this command again, it would just move again. And we run it again, it would move again. And we just keep on going and going and going. So G90, once again, that starts absolute positioning, and G91 starts relative positioning. As I said, usually printers use G90 mode, right? You're in absolute positioning. But I've found that relative positioning can be really useful when you are doing kind of some custom applications.